You know what I was just thinking? Everything is easy as long as you don't have to do it. It all just started with finding a way to improve the oiling system on a 7M. See, we've gone from improving the oil pump to improving the oil pan. Take a look at this. We got this pan right here with extra pockets on the side for additional capacity, and also baffling and trap doors to prevent the oil from moving around in there, all to help improve oil distribution in a 7M. And now, as you know, we're working on a dry sump system. And I gotta say, it's a lot of work and very costly. And that's when this car comes in. You've seen on my previous videos that I bought this car to use it as a measuring device. We got to measure a lot of things on this car. Not this one, not this one. No, not this one. The white one out there. We got to use this car as a measuring device. We got to take measurements to make sure that we're doing this dry sump setup right. And it's been a headache. You saw in a couple of the different videos, I had to procure this car. I had to find it. I had to then get it running. I had to do all kinds of stuff to the wiring on the inside. And now I got it packed up with all kinds of stuff ready to be shipped. Let me show you. Now take a look at that. Full 7M motor, all kinds of parts. That's going with it. Now I want to show you my latest creation. Now you remember what I mentioned about the door handle being shaved and door poppers being installed. It's a little bit open, okay? What I had to do to make sure that we can get the doors open was I actually ran a wire, actually like just rope, from one end of the door hatch, the latch mechanism, to here. And so what I do is just basically grab this and pull just slowly but smoothly and consistently until it pops. And that's how we're going to be opening the door for this now. So right now the car works. Like I said, it works. So like I said, right now we're getting the car warmed up, getting it ready. There's a shipper that's coming in to pick up the car. So let me just make sure that everything is working well, and pretty soon load it up and to Ohio it goes. Here it comes. I hear something. there she goes, folks. Now, this is a lot of work for my big baller 7M guys out there. I will be selling a small set of kits for the dry sump and a few other parts. So if you got the cash, I need to recoup some of my expenses, hit me up.